but they're not...
You got 2 drive wheels on that or 4?
4. So we've reversed the wrong ones, that's all. That's why it's going in circles. It's making me dizzy. Okay, pick up Joy's and see if you can make them work. John? No, it's mead. It's supposed to be mead. Mead. Oh.
Jonathan.
Okay,
It's Mayan. It's supposed to be mead.
Yeah.
They've got to know who they're...
Oh, it won't go over that little thingy.
That was their question, is if they could get up. Turn around and go up backwards. There you go. Go up. Go up. Turn around and go up backwards.
Opening ceremonies will begin in around 10 minutes. Once again, opening ceremonies will start in 10 minutes.
Go up. Get up on the ramp. Get up on the ramp backwards, guys. What's wrong? What did he just say?
I don't know.
What's wrong, Greg? What? The lift? Can you get up on the platform going backwards, Mayan? Yeah, see? Get up on there and then turn around. Get up on there. Get up on the platform. Up on the platform. Up. Up.